Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm being naughty. I'm being impatient. I couldn't wait to paint the chair. Do you see the arm? So I didn't tape it off, and I just painted inside the piping so that I could see what it looked like, because I was getting all antsy and really impatient. So for those of you who did not see the previous videos and you don't know what we're doing, this product is Jacquard Lumiere paint, and this is pearlescent blue. And we're painting that chair with this. So this is a textile fabric paint that people use a lot on clothing. They use it on hats, shoes, all that kind of stuff, but not so much Louis the 16th chairs. So I'm painting a Louis the 16th chair. And I know you can't clearly see it, but I'm just like, I'm dying. That's the first coat. That's coat 1 on a very dark fabric. And it's covering really nice. Really, really, really nice. Let me get you up close. Y'all, blue pearlescent. Oh, so it's got a little bit of a shimmer in it, and it's covering that purple like really well. And it's not streaky. It looks streaky, but it's just the way the light is hitting the fabric. It's so strange. The light like plays off of it. So do I paint the back? Should I paint the back? I'm in my work clothes. I'm not even like dressed for painting. So I think I'm going to go get my apron. I did spill it myself today. I'm going to go get my apron, take this sun coat off, and I think we're going to at least paint the back. Because it has piping all the way around it too. So I can just paint inside of that and then tape it off and paint the piping later. I feel like we kind of got it. I want to see it. I'm just dying. Y'all, I had dreams about this chair last night. It was a really weird dream. I was chained to the chair. I don't know why. I couldn't get out of the chair. And I was like, I need to follow the blue line, blue line, blue line. And I was dreaming about a blue line in this chair. Blue. That's my brain's way of going, go back and paint it. Go back and paint it. So I went back and paint it. I had to try it. Those arms were stained so bad. It's covering the stain. And I know that purple's faded, but it's still dark. And I am just in love with how much it is covering of that. So full disclosure, I reached out to Jacquard Fabric Paints. They didn't reach out to me. I reached out to them, but I bought this paint. So they are offering a discount code for my viewers, but I bought this paint. This was mine for my project. They sent me a package of other stuff we're not using on this chair, but you can still use the discount code. It is Peony. And there will be a link in the description below. So it is a affiliate thing. But y'all know, if you've been here long enough, that I don't say I like something if I don't like something. And I don't care who they are. And Jacquard was okay with that. So I had done a chair before. Once before, it was a gold chair in the rose gold. And I was fairly certain that this blue was going to give me the results I wanted. It's better. Like the pearl. That pearl is so cool. So that's better than I was hoping for. What I really wanted was just to cover the stains and make it blue, because blue is my color choice for my living room. I have blue curtains. I have blue. I like blue. So I wanted like a just bright jewel toned. It is. It's a jewel tone. Like, I was afraid it was going to skew like way navy. And navy is not my vibe. Like, it's not my thing. I wanted that rich jeweled tone, that royal blue kind of color. And this is definitely with the pearl and the way the light is playing off of it, giving me that jeweled tone color that I wanted. I didn't want navy. It's too dark. It's almost black. And I'm like, I don't really like the navy. I love this. Fun fact, the trim on my first house was this color. My house was all white and the trim was that color. And I absolutely loved it. Those are the days. Anyway, I'm going to go put my apron on. We're going to paint back. At least tonight. Got my apron on to protect myself. My clothes. Don't many clothes I've gone through that I can't wear anymore. Well, out in public because I'm covered in paint. Anyway, what I'm really looking forward to is painting the back of this chair. So if you saw the video yesterday, then you saw the back of the chair is like a plaid. It's a purpley, multicolored thing on the back. And I really want to see if it's going to even out those colors. Like, when I put it on, will it be blue, just a solid blue, or am I going to get shades of blue? I don't want shades of blue, so I'm kind of hoping it'll even it out, but I don't know what's going to happen. But that won't be today, because there's no way of painting the back without taping off, and I don't want to tape off at least until tomorrow to give it a good chance of not ripping the paint off. I mean, I put it on, I sanded it, I did all the stuff. So it's drying and all, it's dry to the touch. But I still get really nervous about putting tape on if it's not like good and dry. It just, ugh. I've seen too many people put the painter's tape down and their paint isn't completely like dry, and they pull it up and they pull paint off, and I'm like, not me. Not going to happen. Not here right now. Not in this chair. So I'm just going to paint the back today, because I don't have to tape that off. And then tomorrow? No, I have the tour tomorrow for Pickett. Damn Pickett. So I got to do the tour tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday. All right, let's paint the back. Am I using the world's smallest paintbrush? A little bit. But I was just going to do the arms. Y'all. So pretty. It's so pretty. Can you even see it? Now you can see it, right? Yeah, you can see it right there. All right, back to work. And I am using a lot of paint because I'm super impatient. I want things done like today. I'm getting right in there, into the pipe, edge of the piping there. I don't want the piping to move and then you see purple. Oh, so pretty. I'm so excited. It's a little splotch here on the back. I remember that from the rose gold chair. Like, the first coat was just a little uneven and the second coat just brought it home. Halfway. So what I can say with all my heart, use a bigger brush. There's the first coat. I'm so excited. I'm going to do a second coat on the arms and then possibly the back again tonight. Should I get a bigger brush? Probably. Am I going to? No. Because this is what I started with. Now it's dirty, so might as well just keep going with it. I think this on second coat, I'm going to follow the grain. See if I get a better consistency here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And just like before with coat 2, the color really evens out, and I did go with the grain at an angle like this, and then I smoothed it out, and it looks so pretty. I can't be more happy right now because the stain is covered and it is that bright pop of blue that I was hoping for. It's not dull. It's nice and sparkly and jewel toned. Let me get you closer. You can see the light play off of it. You can still see some of the brush strokes. It's still drying, but yeah, the stain's gone. So there was a stain right there. You cannot see it, which gives me hope that the color on the back will be able to be evened out and be one color. There are more stains down here. Let's see. Ugh. These will be a challenge for another day. I have to tape off before we do that, but hopefully this will all go away like it did on the back. I think it will. Hang on. There we go. Because you don't see it anymore. It's gone. The stain that was right there, right where that brush mark is. Hang on. I see a brush mark right there. Gone. All right, I'm going to clean my brushes and we're going to let this sit. And if it needs a third coat, we'll do the rest of it and see if it's going to be like the whole thing needs a third coat or if it's good where it is. But I think it's good where it is at this point. It's pretty darn blue. And that's all I'm going to be able to do tonight. And then tomorrow I have the tour for Pickett. So I'm not going to have time to work on it tomorrow. It'll have to be like Wednesday, Thursday kind of thing. Because it's going to take me a while to tape the whole thing off. So it's a project. It's a project and a half. Look how pretty it is. I can see it behind me. And remember the purple? I can see it now with the blue. And it's just gorgeous. It's reminding me of like that shimmery blue that's on a peacock. Anyway, if you want to buy some of your own Jacquard fabric paint and you'd like a 20% discount, don't forget to use my coupon code Peony. The link is in the description below directly to their website. So you can order with the 20% discount and I get a small affiliate little doesn't cost you extra and I make a little money, so you're supporting the channel. And I appreciate that because it ain't cheap running a channel. Just telling you. Anyway, that's it for today. I can't wait for this chair to be done. I can't wait to do the piping so that that remaining purple goes away and see how it does to even out the back. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Junkhead. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more Junkin videos.